Imagine being stranded thousands of years ago. No smartphones, no GPS, no stainless steel tools. Just raw survival. But here's the shocking part. Some of the gear our ancestors built was so clever, it still beats our modern tech today. Let's count down the most brilliant ancient survival gear ever invented. Number 11. The fire piston. Forget lighters and matches. Ancient Southeast Asians and Pacific Islanders used a tool called the fire piston. By slamming a piston into a cylinder filled with air, the sudden compression instantly ignited tinder. Here's the crazy part. It's basically the same principle that powers modern diesel engines. So yeah, your car owes its life to ancient survival science. Number 10. Inuit snow goggles. Before Oakleys or ski goggles, the Inuit carved narrow slits into walrus ivory or driftwood. These goggles cut out the sun's blinding glare reflecting off the ice, preventing snow blindness. Modern sunglasses can't even compete with how perfectly these worked in polar survival. And yes, they looked cooler than you'd expect. Number 9. The atlatl. Think of it as the ancestor of the rifle. The atlatl was a spear thrower used by early hunters to launch projectiles at insane speeds, way faster and farther than a human arm alone. It gave ancient hunters the power to take down mammoths. That's right, a simple stick with a notch could do what no gun had yet existed for. Number 8. Viking sunstone compass. Long before GPS, the Vikings sailed across stormy oceans using a crystal called a sunstone. By holding it to the sky, even on cloudy days, they could find the exact position of the sun. That means they crossed the North Atlantic with pinpoint accuracy centuries before compasses were invented. Try that with Google Maps in airplane mode. Number 7. The Roman aqueduct backpack. Survival isn't just about food, it's about water. Roman soldiers carried ingenious water skins and portable containers that worked better than many modern army canteens. Combine that with aqueduct systems that could move water across entire empires without pumps, and suddenly, our survival hydration packs don't seem so advanced. Number 6. Japanese firefighter hooks. Back in ancient Edo, Japan's wooden cities were tinderboxes. Instead of hoses, firefighters used giant iron hooks to pull down burning buildings before the flames spread. Sounds brutal, but it saved entire neighborhoods. It's a survival tactic that values strategy over tech, something we still forget today. Number 5. The Mongol composite bow. The Mongols nearly conquered the known world with one weapon, the composite bow. Made from horn, sinew, and wood, it could shoot farther and hit harder than European longbows. And here's the kicker, even with today's archery tech, few bows match the raw power of this ancient design. Number 4. The Antikythera mechanism. Found in a shipwreck off Greece, this ancient computer tracked the stars, predicted eclipses, and mapped celestial movements. It was built 2,000 years ago, with gears so precise, we didn't see anything like it again until the 1800s. Imagine surviving by reading the future in the stars with a handmade machine. Number 3. Egyptian desert water traps. The Egyptians engineered water collecting devices that captured dew and underground moisture in desert conditions. Think about that. In one of the harshest environments on Earth, they built low-tech survival gear that could turn desert air into drinkable water. Number 2. The Native American fish weir. Before fishing rods, native tribes used stone and wooden weirs, structures that guided fish into traps along rivers. It was survival genius, passive fishing. Build it once, and it fed entire communities for generations without constant labor. Number 1. The terrifying Chinese repeating crossbow. This weapon wasn't just for hunting, it was survival in war. A handheld crossbow that could fire bolts in rapid succession, hundreds of years before firearms existed. It was simple, deadly, and so effective that it stayed in use for over 2,000 years. So, which of these survival inventions blew your mind the most? Honestly, it makes you wonder, are we really more advanced or just more complicated? If you loved this countdown, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. And if you're brave enough, click the video on screen now, because the next story might just change how you see history forever.